Okay, so I don't know what this is going to look like because I have lost my mount, so I'm having to rig you guys on my tripod on the dash. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to do that until I get another mount. I have to order another one. Today is April 11th and it is 9:59. We are on the way to Chick-fil-A right now. That's pretty much all I want this morning, and we're trying to make it there before they close breakfast. When we get back, I am gonna do homeschool with the kids, and I've been trying to be more consistent with that. Just make sure that I do it the same way every day, because every day is so different. So that is my goal for this month, is to be consistent with how we do homeschool. And then after I do that with them for like 30 minutes, I'm gonna clean the kitchen, which is an absolute mess, which is the reason why we're going out to get breakfast right now. The kitchen is an absolute mess. So that is the goal for today. And I might clean my bedroom as well as the kids' rooms today as well. We'll see what actually happens today. I also have to get ready for my lecture on tomorrow, Friday. And I think I'm doing a review, but I haven't decided yet. So we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this breakfast, and I'll talk to you guys later. Made it to Chick-fil-A. Oh, I didn't think we were gonna make it. I got stuck behind somebody that seemed like they started to drive slower. I'm happy we made it. Next in line, we have 10 minutes to order our food.
May I please have a number 3 with hash browns?
Yes, ma'am.
Then may I please have 3 orders of hash browns?
And what would you like to drink?
A large lemonade with no ice.
You got it. Here are those cups for you.
Thank you so much. Do you have those bendy straws?
Yeah, you want to bendy
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
We gotta go park.
Mommy's gonna go get some coffee. Eilan knows the routine now. He's like super aware of everything. The cars that we own, if we go by a dealership with those cars, like he'll be like, oh, there's the store for the car that we have. And I just think he's so sharp. He's super aware. He's very, very observant and like catches everything. But I haven't showed you guys the kids today.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Say good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Mommy.
We just ate our food. I had parked so we could eat, and now we're headed back home. I decided against going where I wanted to go, which was whenever we get books from there, what's been happening is she chews the books up. Number one, I don't want her chewing books up just for her health. And then the library's books have like germs. Even though I wipe the books down and spray them with Lysol, I'm just like, ew. Like I don't know what happened in the previous house with the books. So there's that. And then obviously if she's chewing them, then we can't enjoy them and read them. I've had to like put the books on like a shelf. Whenever I check out books, I end up having to put them away, and then, they don't get to enjoy them. Eilan used to just kind of flip through the books even when we weren't reading. So we haven't been able to do that. So I'm honestly like kind of discouraged about the library. But what I do want to do is I do want to get some books that we can kind of keep in our collection. For now, I'm gonna wait until she gets a little bit older, then we'll resume our library trips. I have things that Eilan can read. It's just I used to like to go to the library for variety. She literally will like start looking at the book and be just fine looking at it, and then when you turn around, the moment you turn around, it's in her mouth and she's like chewed a chunk of it off. So I've just been kind of like, okay, we'll just wait till you're a little older and you understand not to chew the books. And Eilan is much more into other things now, so we'll read things online, go through like PowerPoints with him. We had books that were a little advanced that we're just now able to get into, and that's kind of what we've been doing. So I decided I'm just gonna go home and get started on this cleaning. It's almost 11 a.m. so the day is like moving. I have to do their homeschool with them, then do my cleaning. Then I have to work on a big paper, which is the last paper for this class I'm taking. At the moment, I have an A in the class, and I just want to make sure it stays that way and that I get this paper done on time. I have a lot of time to get this paper done because I worked ahead and I did some other papers before. So I gave myself like 19 days to get this paper done because we're going out of town in a couple of weeks. Yeah. Like 40 minutes later, I have finally loaded the dishwasher, and I'm just doing my last step, which is always to add some of this Ajax in the sink and give the sink a good scrub so that it's nice and shiny. That is always my last step. And then I usually put like bleach on this brush here. I'll bleach the brush, and then this is getting bleached. So I always do that after I'm done washing all the dishes. Well, I didn't wash all of them today because I have other things to do. So I just kind of scrubbed everything and put it in the dishwasher. Oh. So yeah, guys. I'm so glad we went out for breakfast today. We don't eat like meat, and sometimes I'll let the kids have chicken, but what I usually do is I get like an egg white grill sandwich, and I take the chicken out and I just have the egg white with the English muffin. So that's what I had, and the kids, they had some hash browns. They love the hash browns. That's pretty much all they eat from there in the mornings. And then when we got back, I gave them something else to eat that we had here. I made some banana bread yesterday, so they had some banana bread. Eilan just had a little bit of leftover pizza for lunch. Ooh, I'm sweating. So Eilan had some pizza for lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and see what else I can get done before Giselle wakes up. I did put her down for her nap around 11:50, but she actually fell asleep around like 12. She's gonna be napping for maybe another 30 minutes and then she'll be up. So I'm gonna see what else I can get done, and I'll check in with you guys later. This definitely counts as my third workout this week. I'm like sweating, as you can see, and usually that's what happens when I clean like this. So I'm gonna take a break and wait till hubby gets home. I used to clean on Fridays, but now I work on Fridays. So Thursdays have been the days that I've been trying to get everything clean. Well, between Wednesday and Thursday. So when he gets home, I'll do the bathrooms and the bedrooms. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a break right now, and I'll just finish up when he gets home. I did toning and cardio this week, but this is definitely like my third workout, my extra cardio for sure. Hey, Mama. Are you up from your nap? Eilan said that he wanted to vlog. So you gonna vlog?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you want to say?
I want to say something.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Say hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Say how are you?
How are you?
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you again.
See you then.
Good. Can you give a thumbs up and say see you again?
See you then.
Good job. What are you doing? Eilan, where are you? I see you. Here, let me move the pillow. Whee! So it is much later in the day. It's almost 4 o'clock, and I took a nice little break. The kids have been pretty good. No one's had any meltdowns or anything like that, so we've just been relaxing a little bit. I'm about to have a snack. They had snacks already. Then I have some clothes to fold, some clean laundry. So I gave Giselle this apple to play with, and I look over and there's multiple little bites all over the apple. I didn't think she was gonna eat it like this because I usually cut up their fruit. I thought she was just gonna play with it. There was a song on the TV earlier about fruits, so I gave her the apple. But she's actually taking little bites out. It's so cute. Look at all the little tiny bites. I really did not expect that. Is it yummy, Mama? Hubby's home.
Just got home. Well, not just got home. I got home
Like an hour ago.
Yeah, an hour or so ago.
Yesterday hubby made dinner, and we're having that for dinner tonight because there was still some leftovers. And I was just over here working on my lecture material for tomorrow, but I'm gonna stop now so we can have dinner. Later we have to go to Life Group, which is a small group that our church is doing. So we're about to have dinner, so I'll check in with you guys later. So we are in the car and we're headed to Life Group right now. So I thought I would just come back and end the vlog here. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I'm a little skeptical because it's their bedtime. It's like 8 o'clock right now. That's when the group starts, but the people actually live like down the street from us, so it won't take long to get there at all. But I am a little skeptical because everybody is kind of ready for bed. The good thing is they're close to us, but the bad thing is their group starts at 8 o'clock, which is bedtime. We'll see how things go. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Ready?
Ready.
All right.
Don't forget to turn the radio on.
Okay, mommy's vlogging right now. Hey y'all, today is Friday, April 12th, 2019. I almost said 18. And this afternoon I am taking Eilan swimming. I taught this morning, and what I try to do on Fridays is when I get back home from teaching, I try to take Eilan to the swimming pool at the Y. So that's where we're headed. When I get back home, I still have like teaching related work to do later, but I like to take a break during the day and take him swimming so that he doesn't get rusty. His swim instructor is open to doing refresher swim lessons for him, and she says like whenever he needs them to just bring him for that. So we always have that option, but I really just want to make sure that I do my part. And that's what we're doing today. So I'll try to get a few clips of us in the water if I can, because it's just me and him. Dad has stayed home with Giselle because he's still working. So it's kind of hard to watch him and be using my camera. We'll see. So I'll check in with you guys later. Yay! You want to take a picture by the face? Can you stand by the face?
And say cheese.
And it was a success. I think he's had a lot of fun, and we practiced swimming. So we're getting ready to go now, but it's been fun.
Hi there.
Stand up on my shoulders, tell me what you see. I am giant. We'll be breaking borders underneath our feet. I am giant.
That good, buddy? It's not too tight? Good job, buddy. That was your first game, buddy.
You tired?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
High five to mommy.
I'm
Yeah.
proud of you.
Yeah. It's your first game.
Yeah.
Can you say that? Can you say I had fun on my first game?
I had fun on my first game.
Good job. Can you give me a thumbs up?
Good job, buddy. Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up?
Yeah, 2 thumbs up.
Good job.
Good job, buddy.
Hey, Mom.
Let's take off your cleats. See if you can comfortable. Good job, buddy. You did pretty good.
Working hard. Hi.
You did such a good job.
I know. Good job, my face. Next week you gotta score a goal, okay?